Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A56. In this video I'll tell you if Samsung smartphones are made in China. While some Samsung phones are indeed manufactured in China, the company also produces smartphones in other countries such as South Korea, Vietnam and India. Samsung has been diversifying its manufacturing locations to reduce reliance on one country and to better serve regional markets. The decision to move production outside of China also helps Samsung navigate geopolitical tensions and trade restrictions. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.